Hey, welcome back to Psych Culture. Today, we're diving into an interesting topic: 3 steps to building attraction with women. But remember, respect and genuine connection should always be the foundation of any interaction. We'll interpret these steps and back it up with relevant research. Let's get started. Is attraction a choice or a response? There's evidence that some elements of attraction are hardwired in us. For example, studies show that humans tend to be attracted to others who are symmetrical, have clear skin, and show other signs of physical health, as these traits were historically associated with reproductive fitness. Attraction is built upon 3 key concepts: demonstrating higher value, building rapport, and escalating physically. Step 1 is demonstrating higher value. Demonstrating higher value is not about bragging or showing off, but about subtly communicating that you have a rich, full, and attractive life. For example, instead of saying, "I'm a successful entrepreneur," you could casually mention, "I was dealing with this crazy challenge at my startup the other day." Instead of bragging about your world travels, you might mention a fascinating cultural experience you had while traveling. For instance, you could say, "I was so fortunate to experience the Holife Festival in India last year. It's a celebration of spring and unity with so much vibrant color, just an incredible experience." This approach subtly communicates your value. You are adventurous, culturally aware, and open-minded without overtly boasting about your travel experiences. Research supports this. A study from the University of New South Wales found that women find men who demonstrate qualities like bravery, risk-taking, and altruism more attractive, as they are often associated with high social standing. In other words, showing value is about letting your actions speak louder than words. Next, building rapport. Building rapport is all about finding common ground, being genuine, and showing empathy. For example, if you both love jazz, you could share your experience at a recent concert or your favorite jazz albums. Building rapport can also be about demonstrating understanding and empathy towards the other person's experiences. Suppose they mention they've had a tough day at work. Instead of simply responding with "that's rough," you could say, "I can see why you'd be frustrated. Deadlines can be stressful, especially when you're passionate about doing a good job. Do you want to talk more about it?" This response shows you understand their feelings, respect their work ethic, and are open to listening more, all vital for building rapport. Research by the University of California found that shared interests promote attraction and deeper connection. So, finding that common ground is scientifically proven to work. Finally, physical escalation. This isn't about rushing into anything, but about gradually escalating physical intimacy as the connection deepens. This could be as simple as a touch on the arm during a laugh, or offering a warm, friendly hug when you meet. Physical escalation should always be respectful, appropriate, and reciprocal. After building a strong rapport and ensuring the other person is comfortable, you might engage in light-hearted, friendly touch. For example, if you both are laughing at a joke, a brief, gentle touch on the shoulder could be appropriate. Or, if you're walking together, you might offer your arm for them to hold onto. This can subtly escalate the physical connection while remaining respectful and considering their comfort. Remember, the pace of physical escalation should always align with the level of mutual comfort and consent in the interaction. A study from the University of Oxford found that appropriate touch can foster trust and cooperation. So, by blending these 3 elements, you're more likely to generate a natural, mutual attraction. Remember, this is not about manipulation but about understanding social dynamics. Respect, honesty, and authentic communication should always be at the forefront. Thanks for watching today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, keep things genuine, and happy dating.